guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this new year, guys. Happy new year. Oh, I haven't said happy new year to you guys. This is my first video, so yeah, I wish you guys a wonderful 2020. I am already super excited for this year, guys. A lot has happened in just this past 2 weeks and my subscribers has gone up, guys. The last time I checked, I think it was on the 1st of January, I was on 420 subscribers, and now we are sitting at 724 subscribers as I'm shooting this video now. So thank you to everyone who's been watching and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and be part of this beautiful family. So yeah, in this video, guys, I want to unbox with you guys what I got from MrPrice Home for my new bedding. As you can see, if you've been following me for a long time, you will know that this is not my bedroom that I always do my videos at. So this is another bedroom that I've been just ignoring in terms of like fixing it and making it look cute, you know, putting some artwork and doing all of that. So because this year I'll be spending a lot of time in this bedroom, so I thought, okay, I really need to make this bedroom look very nice. So I started off by buying new bedding. Then I'm gonna buy, you know, nice pedestals and, you know, side lamps and art and all of that. But first things first, it's a bedding. So yeah, this is the bedding I got, guys. I got this waterproof quilted mattress protector. This is from MrPrice. It was $3.79. You do need a mattress protector, guys. Yo, mattress. And then I also bought, this is very unusual for me. I am obsessed with white bedding. But I thought, you know what? This is nice for a change. This is a queen size duvet cover. It comes with two standard pillows. So yeah, and it was like $5.99. And then I also got some sheets. I got a flat sheet, queen size, and I got a fitted sheet. They are white, and they cost $1.99. I love them. They are like pure white. And I also got standard pillows, white also. They are 69 rand 99. And I got pillow protectors. Guys, I feel like you need to get mattress protector, you need to get pillow protector, because they are $129.99, which is not that bad. And what else did I get from MrPrice? These are all items that I got from MrPrice. I also bought some pillows, standard pillows. Two of them. I got two of these pillows. The other one is still in the plastic. How much were they? In case you want to know the price and you want to go buy, they are $179 rand 99. And that's all I got from MrPrice. And then I got a duvet inner from Woolworths. This is the duvet inner from Woolworths. It's 549 rands. So this one is from Woolworths. 549 rands. So yeah, that's all I got for the bedding. I am really excited to put some new stuff in this bed. You know the feeling of like just sleeping in fresh, new sheets. Yo, ndizophupha kamnandi, guys. Like, I will sleep like a baby. So I will share with you guys how the bed looks with all the new bedding. And yeah, after that, I'm also planning to undo my braids. They are a mess, guys. I've had this braid since December. I mean, that's why I have this duke on, like, dirongo. So I'll be undoing my braids and, go and do some treatment. I'm still deciding whether I should go do the treatment at the salon or I just do it here at home, because I do have stuff here at home. So also I want to do my nails and my pedicure. What else do I want to do? I also want to trim my eyebrows, guys. Sana jonga as rongo. But I was just waiting for them to be a little bit fuller so that I can trim them. So that is my day, and I will be taking you through everything. So yeah. Finally done with the bed. I'm so tired, guys. Like, this is so much labor. Especially inserting the duvet inner. So I don't know if you guys saw that there's duvet inner. No, not a duvet inner, but there's a throw that I also placed on top of the bed. There is it. Oops. there's the throw. Okay, let me hold like this. So there's the throw, this grayish throw. So I'm not sure about this throw, but it was just, you know, trying to see if it's going to look nice. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the throw, or I should buy another color or something. But I absolutely love the green bedding. I am obsessed. It's actually beautiful. Now I must go get some pedestals and some side lamps. The room is going to be beautiful, guys. Okay, now let's go undo the hair, do some treatment, do my nails, and I forgot, guys, another thing I wanted to show you guys is this fluffy you know, I don't know, mat. I also got it from MrPrice Home, but I got it a while back. I have 2 of them. So yeah, the floor is wooden, so at least the room is, you know, nice and warm, because I feel like you know, tiles are very cold. So I'm loving the vibe. So now, guys, I forgot that the schools are opening on Wednesday here in the Eastern Cape. So rushing with the kids to get the textbooks and a few things for the school for Wednesday. So yeah, the hair and nails have to wait. Mommy duties are calling. We're in the school corridors. These school corridors remind me of my high school days. Ah, we had the best times here, guys. Yeah. Eish. Abamthandayo. Why?
But teachers have a way of just irritating the learners. But imaths yakhe mos you always get 7, which means when you are one of her best learners, isn't it? Good. So I've decided to just iron some school uniform. My son's closet, guys, is like very neat. It stays like this the entire year because he knows umama wakhe loves like a nice clean closet. Finally, I'm done ironing the school clothes. Yo, hi guys, I had a really long day. Nothing just went as I planned it. But at least tomorrow I'll be alone in the house. The kids will be at school, hubby will be at work. So I will have a lot of time to myself tomorrow. So I'll be able to do my hair, do my nails. Yeah. So yeah, I guess this is where the vlog will end because I am very, very tired and I am so hungry right now. I need to go prepare dinner. Whew. See you in my next vlog, guys. Thank you so much for checking this video out.